Hello viewers, we welcome you all to today's Igbo class. Today we are going to look into the letters, the letter D, the words that start with letter D. You know, in Igbo language, we have the alphabet, which starts with A, B, C, D. So today we are going to look into the simple words that start with D. As always, we do them together. So let's go. But before we move on, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do so that you will always get our updates. Let us go. Number one, we have Dalu. Dalu. Dalu simply means thanks. We have Dere. Dere. Dere is keep cool. We have Dada. Dada. Dada is dreadlocks. We have Dibia. Dibia. Dibia is doctor. We have Dabere. Dabere. Dabere is lean, like lean on the wall, lean on anything, lean on me. We have number 6, Dopota. Dopota. Dopota is bring up, like pull it up. We have there. There. There in number 7 means write, to write something. Number 8, we have Da. Da. Da is fall, like fall on the ground. Number 9, Dibe. Dibe. Dibe is endure, to endure something. Number 10 is Dobe. Dobe. Dobe is keep. 11 says Depota. Depota. Depota is write out, like write out the words. Number 12 is D. D. Number 12 is D. D simply means husband. Number 13, Doreba. Doreba. Doreba is keep trying. Number 14, Duru. Duru. Duru is lie down. Number 15, Dolite. Dolite. Dolite is uplift. You know, in every language, you may have some words that are different but meaning the same. As in the case we have here on the number 6, Dopota, and number 15, Dolite, both are actually the same depending on the dialect you are speaking. Uplift, bring up, lift up, pull it up. They are the same as Dopota, Dolite. There are also other ones that I have not written here. So number 15 we have Dolite, which is uplift or bring up. Number 16, Danye. Danye. Danye is fall in, fall in. Number 17, dere, dere. Dere is leave, leave. Number 18, dobie, dobie. Dobie means cut, cut it. Number 19, dachie, dachie. Dachie is simply means use your body to fall the block. So it is simply blockade. Dachie, blockade. Number 20, dotia, dotia. Dotia is extend. Dotia means to extend. We have come to the end of today's class. Please subscribe, like, and share so that you will always be getting our updates. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.